Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this super quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can edit your existing leave requests in case something comes up and you need to make a change. To get started, as usual, you're going to want to make sure that you're logged into your own Vacation Tracker account. Regardless if you're an admin, an approver, or even a user, you will have the ability to edit your existing leave requests, assuming it hasn't already been denied. As a user, when you log into your Vacation Tracker account, you'll notice that on the dashboard there is a card labeled Upcoming Leaves. And here you will find any approved or even pending leave requests. To make a change to these requests, all you need to do is to find the one in question, click on the three dots, and then click on Edit. And once you do, you'll be taken to the Edit Leave page. From here, you can make changes to the dates as well as to the reason if need be. And then once you click on Edit Leave, it'll be submitted to the approver for review and will be marked as pending until they make a decision. Alternatively, you can also make changes to your leave request by heading over to your profile page and then clicking on the Leaves tab and then on the Edit button. This will once again take you back to the Edit Leave page that we saw prior. If you are an approver and you manage your own leave, you will have the opportunity to make changes to your leave request from the dashboard as well. It just needs to happen before the leave is approved. If you scroll down to the pending request section, you'll find your leave request with the button to edit it. And once you click on the button, you'll be brought once again to the Edit Leave page. If you happen to click on Approve and need to make changes after the fact, you can also make changes to your leave requests by going to your profile page and then once again clicking on the Leaves tab to find your upcoming scheduled leaves. And then it's just a matter of clicking on Edit to make changes. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about editing leave requests or how leave requests work in general, then do be sure to check out our Help Desk Center, which has tons of articles covering this topic in much more depth. And if you need any help whatsoever with sending, editing, deleting leave requests, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.